Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LLEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance going forward. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you're saying, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above the $4.80 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, by no means am I saying that if the price drops below $4.80 that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow actually manage to stay up above $4.80, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of the move today, and that sits down there at $4.50. So $4.80 and $4.50, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line there is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 480 would be great. However, grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, that seems to be right up there at the $5 mark. Yeah, I get it. The price did temporarily peak its head up above there, but for the main part, I think we can all agree that the main overall price congestion area right up there at that $5 mark. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, just keep on building higher bases like it's been doing on the day, and things will take care of itself. But yeah, no doubt about it. Powerful move today. Let's see if the bulls can continue to build on this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.